Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the report on the review of the National Housing Trust will be tabled for debate soon. The review is aimed at determining reforms deemed necessary for implementation at the agency regarding its mandate. Speaking at Wednesday's official unveiling of a multi-million-dollar redevelopment plan for the Bustamante Hospital for Children in Kingston, Mr. Holness said that reviewing the NHT's mandate should have been debated long ago. Melvin Pennant has that story.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says while the agency is mandated to build houses, it also has an edict to develop communities, and this mandate has been stretched over the years to support other areas of engagement.
The NHT also has a mandate to build communities around these houses. And that other mandate of building communities around houses has been stretched. It was stretched to do education, to support the education transformation program. Some of you will remember that. $5 billion was taken from the NHT fund. I supported it, just to be clear, because I thought it was necessary, and it was used to start the first attempt at transformation of the education system. We have stretched it for security. We're building police stations to support communities. I recently benefited from my constituency rather, recently benefited from one such station being built, and several housing schemes which have been developed have had stations built around them or in proximity. We have used it to support the building of barracks for the JDF. And now we are stretching it again to support the building of a health facility.
The Bustamante Hospital redevelopment plan entails a new overnight parent suite, and Mr. Holness says the project is still within the NHT mandate. But the use of the funds in this sector is proof that there's a need for a review of the entity.
And we have reviewed the NHT. We do have a report. It really should have been debated long ago, but it is the kind of debate that requires the dedicated attention of the parliamentary agenda, and we're just trying to find that slot within the parliamentary agenda where we can debate that report. And I'm certain I've heard Julian speak on this matter before. I'm not seeing that there is much dissonance between the two political parties as to the reforms necessary for the NHT.
Mr. Holness says the report on the outcomes of the NHT review has been prepared and is to be debated in Parliament.
So we, in short order, should find the space within the parliamentary agenda to dedicate 2 or 3 sittings to such a debate. I want to, however, thank the NHT and its staff for seeing the need and finding a way to fulfill that need. But I'm just putting this in the atmosphere so that any other decisions that have to be taken regarding the expansion of the mandate, that it fits very closely with policy direction.
Melvin Pennant, PBCJ News.